Many people struggle when trying to enlarge holes with a hole saw, often ending up with crooked cuts, heavy vibration, or damaged wood. Trying to solve that issue, a surprisingly simple modification started getting attention inside workshops. The secret is placing a washer to help keep the hole saw perfectly centered during the cut. At first, it looks like a tiny detail, yet it completely changes the tool's stability and cutting precision. The most impressive part is that the washer reduces vibration and helps maintain alignment even when working on existing holes. A practical, intelligent, and highly creative solution that transformed an ordinary hole saw into something far more efficient for quick adjustments and professional-looking finishes.